Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by adding and verifying the credit card in Wallet so you can send money. This unlocks Apple Pay transfer options. Open Wallet, tap the plus, and follow the bank verification prompts, which may require SMS or app confirmation. Once done, make sure the card is enabled for Apple Pay and set as default if you will use it often. This reduces selection steps when sending money and makes transactions faster, because Apple Pay will present your verified card immediately. You now create the payment, open messages with the recipient, tap the Apple Pay button, and type the amount. This keeps context and receipts in the conversation. Make sure to explicitly choose your credit card as the funding source, because Apple defaults to your primary card. Once selected, add a short note if needed and tap Pay to get a preview of the charge and any issuer rules. Then authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to finalize the payment securely. You finish by confirming the transaction in Messages and Wallet. A receipt should appear and the recipient will see the payment as received. If the payment is declined, call your card issuer. Many declines stem from merchant-type restrictions, credit holds, or security flags. Resolving those clears Apple Pay usage. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card to Wallet, ensure internet connectivity, or use the bank app as a fallback. Keep records of authorization codes and timestamps if you need further support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.